Okay, so I'm just getting back to the hotel. It's like 11 o'clock. Ashley, I just told her I had to run out and get some candy, but I really had to go to Shoppers to get her a birthday present. Then she messaged me asking me what's taking so long, so she had no idea that I got her something for her birthday. I know it's not for a day and a half, but I wanted to surprise her. So look, I'm just gonna pretend I'm punching shit on my phone. Okay.
Oh, here's a card.
There's the card. And
Doing nothing. That button didn't come up when I pressed it.
it's those fucking fingernails. Why?
Don't hate on the fingernails.
Fuck, I can't believe I fucking split open my pants. Oh, Ash. Seriously, look at these, my favorite pair of jeans. What do I do?
First you split your pants,
I can't
after you
fucking
piss your
cover that.
pants.
Look at that. My favorite pair, but they were getting wrecked everywhere.
Are you just gonna toss them?
Well, how do I patch that
You
now?
can't.
That's too into it.
You want me to try and sew it when I get home?
Don't you think it'll be too noticeable?
No, I
Yeah.
sew it from the inside.
Yeah, sure. I love this pair of jeans.
You know, I know how to sew. I took it in high school.
You just don't know how to sew?
I know how to sew.
I actually sewed.
Sewed.
I actually did the process of sewing.
So did.
Yeah.
You sewed it.
I sewed it when I was in school a little bit too. So, but I don't think I can do that. Okay, shoes. I'm gonna wear those shoes tomorrow. Jacket.
I think I'm packed. Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not gonna wear my jacket.
Packed over there.
Are you gonna wear your jacket?
I didn't bring a jacket.
That's a black jacket.
It's all I wear anyway.
Well, whatever you call that. That thing that covers your arms, provides warmth, and has a zipper. What do you call those things?
A long sleeve.
Bridges.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, it is. Like, it's beautiful. It's incredible. And whoever honestly put those lights up and thought of those lights, genius. Genius. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Did you just get me recording scratching my balls?
Did I really?
Oh my god. Edit that one out.
I'm sure would like that.
I'm sure everyone's gonna like it. Oh, okay, now it's just this jacket. You have everything fits in your thing, right?
Yep, we are first class, so they can't take my bag off the plane.
What do you mean?
You know, I don't even have any.
They've taken your bag off the plane?
Well, no, they never have. I don't even have anybody to pick us up from the airport.
Oh, come on, really?
Well, we'll just cab it then.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Mommy Dearest?
No.
Fun?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Thank you for the gift again.
You're very welcome. Yeah, I think I can get this in here. Do you think? What do you think?
If you sit on it.
Look at this.
Oh my god, that's not going to fit in there.
You want to make a bet?
You're going to ruin my zipper.
Oh, yeah, probably, eh? Okay, hold on.
Well, you could try.
No, I'll put the shoes in there. That one too. Maybe if I actually fold it nicely, it might too.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no.
What?
Since we're first class, we get free checked-in baggage.
Yeah, but we're not gonna check in.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Fuck that. It wasn't so bad, like waiting in Toronto. It wasn't so bad waiting for our stuff because we had to talking this that. When we land, we want to get the fuck out of there as soon as possible.
True.
Seriously, we definitely do not want to be sitting in Winnipeg Airport. That's not fun. Oh come on, it was looking so promising.
I thought you were going to throw those
I
shoes
should
out with the
just throw
hole.
these shoes out.
Yeah.
Yes, I missed. Yeah. Okay. Definitely throwing these shoes out. They're definitely way too beat up. Nice. I almost knocked the stuff stuff up. Okay. There, that's that. It's weird to come and just be in the hotel for one day, eh?
Yeah.
And just not even, we didn't, like, really, we were barely in this hotel.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then when we came back from the tour, before we went for dinner with Daryl and Diana, I honestly thought we'd have I thought we'd have an hour to go do something.
Yeah.
And then I thought we'd have like a half an hour to just chill and relax a little bit, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't. We literally had like 6 minutes and then we had to go.
I know.
The casino does look really pretty. Look at the lights too. It's got tons of lights. Oh, the falls are all white right now. Oh, that's the best. Remember he said we could see across CN Tower?
Could we?
The tour driver? We didn't get any video of the tour driver, right?
No. We're conserving the video.
We should have got, oh yeah, the battery power.
Yeah.
We should have got, we definitely should have got video of him. So there it is. Fuck, my lips are super chapped right now. Do you have lip balm?
I don't actually.
The funny thing is, I was gonna buy you one.
Were you?
Just to throw it in, like just like
An extra?
a little extra, an extra thing.
Yeah.
But then I honestly was about to, and I was like, no, I don't want to buy anything that she'll be like, I'll never use this. Okay. What's that? A little Louis Vuitton makeup bag?
Yeah.
That's cool. I didn't see that till just now.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, look at this. Hey, I get my own bed.
Get your own bed finally.
Yes. But you know what? I didn't mind sleeping on the couch because we were so exhausted and tired.
Oh yeah?
At the end of every day. Those were long days, Ash.
Yeah.
Long, fun days where we...
So how's it traveling with me?
I would have to say, you know, there is one shitty thing, is that my stomach hurts from laughing so much. Seriously. That's the thing, is you guys get to see the videos and we're like, hey guys, but the funniest stuff is when there is no video.
Yeah,
We're
that's
just,
true.
Oh, it's so funny. It's just the laughing. So much fun. Traveling with you is awesome.
Thank you. You too.
It is honestly the most fun. Oh. Just because we think so much alike.
Yeah.
And we're so...
Do you want to do a quick goodbye? Because I'm comfortable.
The Patreon video.
Yep. I think this will be the Patreon video.
How many people do you have on Patreon?
I think like 5 or 6.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's cool. You definitely have to look after those.
Oh, yeah.
Those ones.
They are the VIPs.
I was just about to say, they are the VIPs. You know what's super funny is I told that to Alyssa about the Patreon.
Mm-hmm.
And she was like, wow. I'm like, literally, Alyssa, people are like, can get Netflix for $10 a month, and they're sending Ashley $10 a month. And Alyssa was like blowing her mind. I was like, Alyssa, you don't understand. These people listen to her all the time. They make her feel good. They make her laugh.
Yeah.
She's super funny. I go, it's like, and it's real life. She's so, that's the one thing that also that I like about you as a best friend is you're so real and raw. You know, like you're just how you are and who you are, and you don't pretend to be or try to fit into anything, you know?
Thank you.
So, yeah.
Well, yeah, that is the video.
So yeah, no. So what I was gonna say is she really appreciates your support, and I do too, and I think it's awesome. And she tells me every time, and it makes her feel really good. And I'd rather watch her than Netflix any day, anyhow.
Oh, thank you.
And it's just boring and old. It's always the same shit. At least you're having, we don't know. What's Miss Philly going to do today? What crazy thing? Seriously.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay, guys.
Bye.
See you next trip, I guess, eh?
Yeah. Well, we'll still see you in some workout videos, probably.
Yeah, but not like this. So.
Yeah, it's true.
No, we're not going to, this is special time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you later. Okay, you know what I hate more than anything at a hotel?
What?
This. When they tuck it in. I hate it tucked in.
Oh, the hostility.
I like my feet to breathe. People are going to think that's a special video.
Oh, the hostility.
I like my feet to breathe. Quite on my ass. Or do you want to come over here so you don't have that bar?
There we go.
There we go.
There's the view, guys. It is our last day here.
Our last chance to look at the beautiful view.
Yep, we are leaving now on our way to pull the car around for valet and then leave forever.
Yes, we're going to the airport.
Yeah.
Are you sad?
A little, are you?
I'm devastated.
Aw.
No, I'm definitely sad. We had so much fun.
It was.
Amazing, amazing trip.
It was.
And now it's time to go back.
I'm glad I got to spend it with this guy.
I'm glad I got to spend it with Miss Philly. She's the best. You
Yeah.
guys could only dream to be so lucky to go on a trip with Miss Philly.
Aw.
She's crazy.
A little bit.
She's crazy. It's hard to keep up with her.
But it was amazing. It was fun. It was productive. So
It
that
was
good.
educational for me.
Yes.
Yeah, I learned quite a bit. Yeah, definitely.
And we got to meet a lot of great people. Your
Oh,
friend.
yes, definitely.
His friend was amazing as well.
He was super cool.
Great to see.
The meetup was awesome.
That was awesome.
The meetup was awesome.
Yeah.
I guess that is it.
That wraps up the trip. We might do a video on the plane if we can. If we can't, then we'll do the Q&A some other time.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Definitely.
Thank you for joining us on this Miss Philly and Trainer Dave thrifting reseller meetup, Niagara Falls vacation,
Adventure,
everything.
Party,
Yes.
silliness, goofiness.
Yeah.
Great times.
It was amazing.
See
Bye,
you guys
guys.
later. Bye.
I didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this miserable without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be enough. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side. I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. When I said forever, that's just what I meant. Yeah, forever, yeah. No reason why forever. Now in my mind I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is the pain that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when I smile in front of people it's a fake. 'Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. It's gonna be a while before I'm okay. 'Cause now that you're gone I know that time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd say that you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel don't you worry.